जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 17th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, Arjuna, fix your intelligence on Atma. Fix your mind on Atma. Fix your faith on Atma. And make up your mind that Atma is everything to you. If you keep continuously doing like this, you will get a very clear, transparent understanding about Atma and you will attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Arjuna, then all kind of sins will be removed and you will be relieved from the cycle of birth and death. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us to attain contentment with Atma Sakshatkaram. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Tadbuddhayaha tadatmanaha tannishtaha tatparayanaha gachanti apunaravrittim jnana nirdhuta kalmashaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always meditate upon me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my message Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your message among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshin Narendra heard from Sri Sukha Yogindra about everything that Chaturmukha Brahma told Narada Maharshi. Now Parikshin Narendra asking question to Sri Sukha Yogindra. O Yogindra, after hearing from Chaturmukha Brahma, Narada yasmai yadha praha Narado Devadarsanaha. What did he do? How did he get Paramatma Darsanam? And how did he describe Paramatma to each and everyone whoever he came across? How did he describe Srimad Bhagavatam to all others? Like this, Parikshin Narendra asking question to Sri Sukha Yogindra and also continuing like this. O Yogindra, Harehe Adbhuta Viryasya Kathaloka Sumangalaha. Now Parikshin Narendra expressing his views to Sri Sukha Yogindra, saying that, O Yogindra, Srimannarayanas divine avatarams, divine and miraculous activities, if everybody getting to listen to them, they will get all kind of auspicious results. And those Paramatma's stories brings, Paramatma's divine activities brings auspiciousness to entire world. Loka Kalyanam will be attained with that. O Yogindra, I would like to depart from this body. Krishne Nivesya Nissangam Manaha Tyakshye. I would like to get out of this body while having my mind completely occupied with Krishna Paramatma's divine stories. While listening to Krishna Paramatma's divine stories and while having Sri Krishna Paramatma completely filled up in my mind, like that I would like to get out of this body while being attached from all these mundane things. If that has to happen, O Yogindra, Astira Vibhavambu Nikhila Heya Bhajanambaina E Kalebarambu Vidutu. If I have to get out of this body in that way, you have to continue disclosing about Srimad Bhagavatam. You please do not stop. You please keep continue telling me about Srimad Bhagavatam and Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine activities. O Yogindra, those who gets to listens to Paramatma's divine stories, Srunvataha Shraddhaya Nityam, even if it is for short time, if they eagerly and with all of their attention, if anyone listens to Paramatma's stories, Paramatma will be entering into their mind. Pravishtaha Karnarandhrena, when they are listening, Paramatma will enter into their mind through their ears. With that, Dhunoti Samalam Krishnaha. their all papam, the sins will be completely washed off. That is the highest benefit of listening to Paramatma's stories. Ho Yogendra, Ramadhisu Padara Yuga Sangi Bhutudai Manune. Once all the papams are washed off, sins are washed off, and once the mind is purely filled up with Sri Krishna Paramatma, Krishna Padamulam Namunchanti. From then onwards, those people who had this benefit will never give up thinking about Sri Krishna Paramatma. They will be continuously thinking about Sri Krishna Paramatma. With that, Ho Yogendra, Mukta Sarva Pariklesaha Panthaha Swasaranam Yadha. They will attain an extreme amount of peace. They will attain a wonderful contentment. As and how, if anyone travels so long and walking, after that comes back to home and relaxes, that is how this person, this kind of devotees will feel that they attained the pure contentment. So that is the satisfaction, that is the joy that we will enjoy after having Krishna Paramatma filled up in our mind by listening to the divine stories. Like this, Parikshin Narendra expressing his views to Sri Sukha Yogendra and requesting him to continue Srimad Bhagavata description. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Srimannama Prochya Narayanakyam Kena Prapurvanchitam Papinopi Hanah Purvam Vak Pravruttana Tasmin Tena Praptam Garbhavasadi Dukkham. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 17th sloka. Tadbuddhayaha tadatmanaha tannishtaha tatparayanaha gachanti apunaravrittim jnana nirdhuta kalmashaha. Tadbuddhayaha tadatmanaha tannishtaha tatparayanaha gachanti apunaravrittim jnana nirdhuta kalmashaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.